I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gummies without gelatin or agar agar. We'll explore fantastic plant-based alternatives that deliver that perfect chewy texture you love. We'll focus on pectin, a popular choice, and also look at how starches can enhance your gummy creations. Get ready to make delicious, vegan-friendly treats. Pectin, derived from fruit peels, is an excellent plant-based gelling agent. It needs both sugar and acid to set correctly, typically at a pH between 2.8 and 3.5. High methoxyl pectin is best for firm, traditional gummies, while low methoxyl pectin can be used for lower sugar recipes, relying on calcium for gelation. Pectin gummies offer a soft, smooth, and less elastic bite. Beyond pectin, other plant-based ingredients can fine-tune your gummy's texture. Cornstarch, for example, contributes to a chewier, more robust body. Tapioca starch offers a softer, more elastic consistency. You can even use a small amount of xanthan gum to improve the overall mouthfeel and stability of your gummies, preventing them from becoming too sticky. For delicious homemade gummies, start with flavorful fruit juices or purees. Remember to adjust your sweetener to balance the natural tartness of your chosen fruit. Once your mixture is ready, work quickly. Pectin sets at a relatively high temperature, so pour it into your molds promptly before it begins to gel. Chill them for about 15 to 20 minutes to fully set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.